How to use Revolut app to pay. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So after opening up your Revolut app, you will find the option of transfer at the bottom middle. Just click on it. Then you can simply search anyone using their name, Revolut tag, phone or email. Just simply search them up and you will be able to make payments to them. And in case if you want to scan anyone's QR code, then simply click on this option of QR code over here right beside the search option, and you will be able to scan QR codes, and this way you will also be able to make payments even in grocery store. And in case if you want to make any new transfer, simply click on this option of plus new at the top right hand side corner, and here you can select different kind of transfers that you want to make. Just select them and provide the details. After that you will be able to make payments using Revolut, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.